Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among rolling green hills, there lived a kind-hearted woman named Clara. Clara had a heart as vast as the ocean and a spirit as bright as the sun. She had always longed to make a difference in the lives of others, and her chance to do so came when she decided to become a foster parent. Clara had heard about the plight of orphaned and abandoned children in her village, and she couldn't bear the thought of them growing up without love and stability. With great determination, she opened her heart and her home, welcoming children in need with open arms. The first child who entered Clara's home was a timid little boy named Daniel. He had faced many hardships in his short life, and had lost hope in finding a place where he truly belonged. But Clara's warm smile and gentle touch brought a glimmer of hope back into his eyes. She listened to his stories, wiped away his tears, and taught him that love could heal even the deepest wounds. As the days turned into weeks and the weeks into months, more children arrived at Clara's doorstep. Each one carried their own unique story of struggle and heartbreak. Clara never turned them away. She saw their potential, their resilience, and their capacity to thrive if only given a chance. She provided a loving and stable home for these children, nurturing their dreams and encouraging them to believe in themselves. Clara knew that every child had something special within them, waiting to be discovered and cherished. She helped them find their passions, whether it was painting, singing, or playing sports. She celebrated their achievements, no matter how big or small. Word of Clara's incredible dedication spread throughout the village, and people began to admire and support her cause. The community came together, offering their time, resources, and love to ensure that Clara could continue her vital work. The children thrived under Clara's care, their lives blossoming like vibrant flowers in a garden. Years passed and the children grew up, leaving the nest one by one. They went on to pursue their dreams, armed with the love, guidance, and unwavering belief in themselves that Clara had instilled within them. Some became successful doctors, artists, teachers, and entrepreneurs. They carried with them the valuable lessons of compassion, resilience, and the power of a loving heart. Clara's legacy as the inspirational foster parent lived on, inspiring others to open their homes and hearts to children in need. Her story reminded everyone that a single act of kindness, no matter how small, had the power to change lives. And so, Clara's journey as a foster parent became a beacon of hope, reminding us all that love, care, and stability can create miracles and transform the lives of those who need it most. Her unwavering commitment to making a positive impact on the lives of children in need will forever be cherished and celebrated.